distance, a ribbon of black, stretched to the point of no turning back. A flight of fancy on a windswept field, standing alone, my senses reel. A fatal attraction is holding me fast. How can I escape this irresistible grasp? Can't keep my eyes from the circling sky, tongue-tied and twisted, just an earthbound misfit. Ice is forming on the tips of my wings. Unheeded warnings, I thought of everything. No navigator to guide my way home. Unladen, empty, turned to stone. My sole intention is learning to fly. Condition grounded, but determined to try. Can't keep my eyes from the circling skies, tongue-tied and twisted, just an earthbound biscuit pie. Above the clouds I see the shadow of fire. Out of the corner of my watering eye, to dream unthreatened by the morning light, could blow the soul right through the roof of the night. There's no sensation to compare with this. Suspended animation, state of bliss. Can't keep my mind from the circle